What happens to your body if you eat nothing for 2 days? If you were to go without eating anything for 2 days, your body would undergo several physiological changes as it adjusts to the absence of food intake. Here's a general overview of what might happen during this period. 1. Blood sugar regulation. Within a few hours of not eating, your blood sugar levels would start to drop. Your body's first response would be to release stored glucose from the liver to maintain a stable blood sugar level. As the fasting continues, your body would rely more on this stored glucose for energy. 2. Energy source. After about 24 hours, your body would have used up most of the readily available glucose stores. At this point, it would start to break down fats stored in adipose tissue to produce ketones, which can be used as an alternative energy source. This state is known as ketosis. 3. Metabolic changes. Your metabolic rate might slow down to conserve energy. This is a survival mechanism that helps your body adapt to the reduced calorie intake. It's a way of making the most of the energy reserves available. 4. Hormonal changes. Hormones such as insulin and glucagon would play a key role in maintaining blood sugar levels. Insulin helps lower blood sugar by facilitating the uptake of glucose into cells, while glucagon helps raise blood sugar by promoting the release of stored glucose from the liver. 5. Muscle breakdown. In extended periods of fasting, your body might start to break down muscle tissue for energy, particularly if you're not getting adequate protein. This is a less desirable consequence of prolonged fasting. 6. Electrolyte imbalance. Extended fasting can lead to electrolyte imbalances, such as low levels of sodium, potassium, and magnesium. These electrolytes are crucial for maintaining various bodily functions, including nerve and muscle function. 7. Dehydration. A lack of food intake can also lead to dehydration, especially if you're not drinking enough fluids. Water is essential for various bodily processes, and the absence of food can affect your hydration status. 8. Fatigue and weakness. As your body depletes its energy reserves and transitions to using ketones for energy, you might experience feelings of fatigue, weakness, and overall low energy. It's important to note that individual responses to fasting can vary based on factors such as age, sex, overall health, and activity level. While short periods of fasting can have potential health benefits for some individuals, prolonged fasting without proper medical supervision can be risky, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Before attempting any form of fasting, especially for extended periods, it's recommended to consult a healthcare professional to ensure that it's safe for you and to receive guidance on how to do it properly if it's appropriate in your situation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.